everybody, welcome back to your full body transformation program. We are on day 13, so we are almost at the halfway point, and we are going to keep on going till the end of the program and keep on leveling up. So today we'll be doing a body weight based routine focusing on that lower ab area, so that lower belly pooch that's kind of hard to target and kind of hard to tone up. Well, I am here to teach you those techniques and those exercises that's going to help you slim that waistline and flatten that stomach. So if you are ready, if you're not ready, tell yourself you're ready. We are going to come down towards the mat and we are going to start with some slow flutter kicks. So come down to your mat into that V-sit position, have your hands right behind your back. Now you're going to lift those legs up into the air, extend those legs long, and we're going to drop one leg down as the other comes up in 3, 2, 1. So bring those shoulders away from the ears, and now let's squeeze that belly button in towards the spine. So we are going to activate those abs. Now, I'm telling you now, it's going to take you around 3 to 5 minutes to activate them. So nice, slow, controlled movements here, focusing all of that tension in that lower ab area. Perfect. So we aren't just going to work the lower abs today. We're actually going to engage all of them with that focus being down there. So don't worry, we're going to burn it out. We are going to activate them, but you have to stick through the entire routine. Get through those whole 15 minutes, and you are going to see those changes happen. Give me another 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now, I want you to hold it right here. We're going to try to hold this tension for as long as we can through this entire routine, and just tell yourself you're excited about it because you're going to see changes. Now, bring those hands right behind your back. Keep them there. We are going to knee crunch in and extend those legs out, coming down all the way. All right, in 3, 2, 1. So those knees coming towards the chest, still squeezing those abs, and just make sure to breathe. Come down as low as you can, and I like having my hands behind me because it does give you that extra support to come down a little bit lower, which is going to work those abs a little bit harder. So just extend those legs long and take it nice and slow. So no need to rush through these. Actually, the slower that we go here, the more tension we're going to build. So you do want to build that tension up, activate those abs so that by the end, you can check yourself out in the mirror and definitely take a photo, hey, and see those abs pop. So when we get to minute 5 and things start trembling, I want you to remind yourself why you came here and how you're going to look, how you're going to feel when you get to this end of the end of this routine, because I'm telling you, you're going to feel it. All right, bring those legs out one more time. Bring it in and release down. So for our third exercise, you're going to come down towards the mat. Now, release those hands down towards your side. Suck that belly button towards the spine. Tuck those hips under. Make sure you've got a nice straight line and no gaps between your mat and the back. Now bring both of those legs up into the air. Good job. And we're just going to tap down on both sides. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. So relax those shoulders down. Now suck those abs in really tight and just tap down towards the mat. Switch that other side. So this whole time, try to keep that 90-degree angle in your knee to your hip. And then also, again, squeezing so hard. Lift those hips up. Make sure that back is flat. And if you feel it lifting at all, just bring those knees in a little bit closer, or just don't bring your leg all the way down. Whatever you have to do to protect your lower back, and make sure that you're engaging your abs and not your back. Good job. So again, relax those shoulders. Release any tension in the jaw. Give me another 3, 2, and 1. Now I want you to hold this position here because we're not done in this position, and you're going to extend your right leg all the way out. Good job. Now, bring those hands behind your head, and we're going to take nice tiny little circles going out, pointing those toes the entire time in 3, 2, 1. So again, you have your back flat against the mat. Now as we do this, we want to engage that upper ab area too. So lift up. Okay, good job. Lift those shoulders off the ground and keep doing those tiny little circles, tiny controlled circles. The smaller you get them, the more circles you're gonna make, which means more tension, more results, more change, and that's what we're here for. We wanna change our bodies, we wanna change our mindset, we wanna keep on going. You've got this, just keep going and tell yourself your reason for being here. Remind yourself that you can do this, that you can make it through, and that you will see that change. Give me another 3, 2, 1, and you can release that head back down towards the ground, shake it out, and we're going to bring those legs back up and switch over to that other side. So lift those legs up off the ground, get that left leg pointed away from you, and we are going to take those circles out in 3, 2, 1. So tiny little circles, again, controlled movement. You're going to feel this in that lower ab area right towards your sides. It is going to burn, and that's what you want. You want to feel that burn. You want to feel the results as they're happening because it's going to motivate you to go further. Now, if you have that voice in your head that's saying, no, stop, it burns, mute him. Put him on mute. I want you to listen to the voice that's telling you to keep going, that you came here for change and you want to make those changes. So now let's lift those shoulders up off the ground. Good job. Now you should really feel it. Squeeze in a little bit harder. Don't forget to breathe. Give me a nice breath in. Come on, keep going. Give me another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bring that leg in and gently release those legs down towards the ground. We are going to come into a bicycle single leg drop. So for this, we're going to come back to that 90-degree angle, and we're going to bring that hand behind the head. Now extend that left leg long and bring your elbow up towards the knee. Okay, we're not done. There's more. You're going to bring that leg up and bring it back down. In 3, 2, 1. So that left leg comes up and back down towards the ground, and that elbow, you want to really squeeze it in towards the knee. This is going to burn. It's going to activate. It's going to tingle. And I'm telling you, things are going to start to shake. But guess what? You are going to keep on going because you came here to get those results. You came here for change. You came here to finish the program. So let's finish it out. Let's keep on going like we mean to keep on going. The only way to get change is to really push yourself, to put in that extra effort. And hey, since you put the time aside, you maybe woke up 15 minutes early to do this workout. Let's give it our all. Get the most out of it. Maximize the results. Take it slow, up and down for the next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold that leg. We are going to bring it down to about a 45-degree angle. Give yourself a breath. Take a rest if you need it. We're going to pulse for the next 40 seconds on this side. It's going to burn. You're going to stick it out. Come on, guys. Let's go. If you left, holy crap, tongue twist. If you put that arm down, bring it up. We are going to pulse for 40 seconds. Let's go. Up and down. Squeezing those abs. Come on, tighter, guys. Tighter towards the mat. Keep that elbow squeezed in. Keep that shoulder lifted off the ground. If you want, you can extend that other arm for support. Whatever you have to do here to keep on pushing through, you can do this. I'm telling you now. And just breathe. Pulse for the next 10, 9, 8. Drop a little lower. 7, 6. Squeeze a little bit more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bring that knee in and release those legs down. We're going to switch over to that other side. Just take a nice breath. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. Let's switch that other side so those knees in that 90-degree angle, and extend that right leg long, hands behind the head. Bring that elbow to your knee and bring that leg up and all the way down. All right, let me just move. I'm hitting the basket. And up and down in 3, 2, 1. That leg comes up and back down, squeezing those abs the entire time. That lower ab area should be on fire right now, but we are on the halfway point. So I know you came here for a reason. I know you want those abs. I know you want things toned up. And I'm telling you, it is a tough area to activate. So not only is it fitness, it is also nutrition. So if you need help with that, because 80% of the way you look and feel comes down to what you eat in a day. 20% of it is the fitness, which is what I'm here for, and then 100% of it is mindset. So tell yourself now to keep on going, squeeze in a little bit tighter, bring that leg up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know we're not done here. Bring that leg to that 45-degree angle. Now you can relax it down if you want. I'll tell you when to bring it back up without getting tongue twisted. Let's not make fun of me for that. It happens. All right, bring that leg out. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pulse it out. Tiny little pulses. Everything in that lower ab area. You feel it. I feel it. I'm there with you. Let's keep on going. We want those changes. We want to see results. And we have to get to the end of this workout. You are almost there. You have a couple more exercises after this, and then you can go take your photos in the mirror, see those abs pop, feel them tremble, feel good about yourself. You are going to feel successful. The more workouts you finish, the harder you push yourself. Not only will you see what you're capable of, but you're going to feel powerful. You want to feel that power, right? Okay, so keep on going. Show me what you're made of, or I'm going to bust through your wall. You know like what? The Kool-Aid Man, and tell you to keep on going for the next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, release those legs down. We're just going to give ourselves a little bit of a breather. Just stretch those abs out. All right, that's all the breather you get. Now bring those legs back up into that 90-degree angle. We are going to do a knee crunch in. Lift that butt up just a little bit and extend out at a 45-degree. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Relax those shoulders down. Get that back flat against the mat. Bring those knees in and back out towards the wall, pointing those toes the entire time. If you need to, close your eyes, just listen to the sound of my voice. Whatever you do, I just want you to keep moving, keep that body moving. We are burning calories, we are toning up, we are getting results. We're gonna see physical change. To get that physical change, you've gotta push just a little bit harder. Get out of the comfort zone. Once you reach a little bit outside of the comfort zone, that is where change lies. So you wanna get those changes, keep going. I've changed a lot in the past 7 years. If you go to my Instagram, the link's below, you can see 7 years ago that I was not who I am today. I was about 60 pounds heavier, and this is what I did. I'm giving you all of those tools. Give me another crunch in. Bring it out, and you can release those legs down. Okay, great job, everybody. We're gonna come back into a V-sit position now. So for this one, relax that left arm down next to you. You're gonna lift that left leg into the air, bring your right arm behind, and we're just gonna knee crunch in and back out. So that other leg stays down towards the mat. Let's go, come on. We've just got a couple more exercises left. We've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises. We are on the 5th. So we've got 4 more after this. We're gonna keep repping it out. We're gonna see those results. Oh yeah, why did you come here? Think of your why. That reason you're here. Did you come here to tone up? Did you come here to get a mood boost? Did you come here for abs? It doesn't matter what your reason is, so long as you have one. That's what's gonna keep you motivated. I know things are shaky. Bring that leg a little bit lower. Come on. Give me another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release down. We're gonna switch to that other side, just like that. We're almost there. You got 4 more left. Just keep on pushing through. So bring that arm, relax it next to you. You're gonna lift that right leg into the air. Have that hand behind your head, and we're doing that lifted bicycle crunch in 3, 2, 1. So if you were already working ahead of me, hey, you get extra credit because I know you're putting in the effort. This is not an easy workout. This is not an easy ab workout. That is the whole point. We are here to level up, right? So we did a slightly easier version of ab exercises last week or 2 weeks ago. Well, what are we doing with this program? This transformation is to help you level up, to get better every step of the way, to add those weights in, to add in resistance, to show you what you're really capable of. You can do this. All right, give me another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. My quad is shaking. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, yeah, my quad was on fire for that. It was like trembling. Are you there with me? Okay, so we're gonna come into a V-sit crossover. So stay in this V-sit position here. Like we started, you're gonna lift those legs up into the air. Now, you're gonna take those legs out, and we're gonna cross for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're gonna knee crunch in, knee crunch out, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So starting on that knee crunch, let's go. Crunch it in, come out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And crunch it in, take it out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Come in, come out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, in and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me another one. In and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. In and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release those legs down. Oh my gosh. Yes, that burned. We're gonna come back to the bottom of our mat, and we're gonna finish off with some single leg drops. We've got this last 2 exercises, no problem. Let's put it in the bag. Let's take it home. Let's unpack it. So bring those legs up into the air, and we're just gonna drop down and bring it back up. Relax those shoulders down, and let's get started in 3, 2, 1. This is the point of the workout, the very end, where our mind starts to tell us, okay, give in, we're done. We're not done. We want to finish it. Adherence is key. Consistency is key. You want to get those results, so you have to show up for yourself. You are worth it. Show up, bring yourself to the party, and be social, all right? Yes, be social. That's what we're doing right now. I don't think, honestly, I'm surprised I'm even talking still because my abs are on fire. So keep bringing that leg up and down for the next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's just take that rest real quick. Shake it out. Give yourself a nice little stretch overhead. We are going to switch that other side in about 5 seconds. So let's put those toesies up towards the ceiling and onto that left side. Relax those shoulders down. Let those palms face up. And in 3, 2, 1, bring that leg down and back up. Last exercise, last burner. Keep on going. We're going to take it into a cool down after this, and then we get to breathe a little bit And just release all that tension in the abs, but not yet, so keep bringing that leg down and back up. If your back is arching, just bring that leg a little bit higher, and I definitely want you to tell me in the comments how much this ab routine killed you through it, because I know this one is gonna get you results. This was a tough workout. Give me another 5, and 4, and 3, try to straighten out a little bit more, 2, and last one, bring that leg up, bring those knees in, and bring them towards your chest. Just give yourself a little squeeze and rock from side to side. We are gonna take it into our cool down. Oh my gosh, congratulations if you made it through this workout. You are a total badass. And we can release those legs down. We're gonna flip over onto our stomachs. Good job. So squeeze those feet together, squeeze those glutes together, and put those hands below your shoulders and just lift up through the chest. Amazing. Okay, and breathe. Now come up into a tabletop position and just gently release those arms in front of you. That butt comes down to your feet. Good job. Wiggle it out. And come back up for me. Take that right arm and slide it through and relax down. Okay. Relax that shoulder. Bring it back up and take that left arm and slide it through. And just relax down. Take a nice breath in. And breathe out. Bring it back up. And let's flip that hair back. Let's come into a kneeling position and just stretch those obliques a little bit. So bring those arms over the top of your head and just draw down to the right and pulse. For 3, 2, 1. Back towards the center. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, just come down to that other side. For 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back up. Release. And congratulate yourself for making it through day 13, lower ab, killer, burner, crazy workout. Yes, I know you felt that one. Now, if you want to keep on going, make sure to subscribe so that you still have the notifications for the upcoming workouts, which you're going to get 3 of a week, all brand new moves. Well, not every single one, because you got to repeat some things, but a lot of new moves. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn about yourself, because your mindset is going to be worked on, where you're going to see that you are capable of so much more. And if you want to keep on going after this, there are plenty of ab videos on here. There's things for legs, there's things for arms, there's warm-ups, there's cool-downs. Check it all out. Push yourself to that limit. Get out of that comfort zone and make the changes you came here to make. So we are going to keep on going. I will see you next week for day 14.